Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Coach unboxing for you, and it's studio bag in light coral. I got this at Dillard's. This is how it looks. It's simple style and adjustable strap. This bag came with a push leg, and when you open it, it's pretty spacious inside. You have one compartment here and another one skinny compartment, and let's see what you can put in here. So first I have my Coach wallet, and my phone, I also have my glasses, sunglasses, my foundation and hand cream, hand sanitizer, my lip gloss, Fenty Beauty, and a lip balm. And you still have plenty of room. It's pretty spacious. I really like this bag. It's really nice. So yeah, that's what fits on my studio bag, and hope you all enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. Bye.